the tangent at 3 comma minus 2 of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 13 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 is equal to 0 and find its point of contact. The tangent to the first circle touches the second circle. So first we are drawing the first circle here. This is the first circle. Equation of the first circle is x square plus y square is equals to 13. Now the tangent at the point 3 comma minus 2 to this circle. First we are taking the tangent to the first circle at the point 3 comma minus 2, that will be P, touches the second circle. So this is the second circle. Now we want to show that the tangent to the first circle touches the second circle. So what is the tangent to the first circle at the point 3 comma minus 2? Equation of tangent formula is S1 is equals to 0. So S1 is equal to 0 means that is the notation x1 plus y1 equals to 13. Now in place of x comma y, x1 y1 we are substituting 3 comma minus 2. Then what it returns? X into 3 plus y into minus 2 is equals to 13. That is 3x minus 2y minus 13 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent to the first circle. Now we want to show that the tangent is also a tangent to the second circle. Now to prove that the line is a tangent to the second circle, we want to prove that r is equals to d. We want to check the condition for tangency. If r equals to d, then we can say that the line is the tangent to the second circle. This is the concept of the given problem. Now coming to the solution, first we are writing the first circle. First circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to 13 and given point is 3 comma minus 2. Now first we are finding the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is S1 is equals to 0. Equation of tangent is S1 equals to 0. That is, we are taking the S1 notation to the first circle. X1 plus 5y1 is equals to 13. In place of x square, we are writing x1 and in place of y square, we are taking y by 1. But here, what is x1 by 1? x1 by 1 is equal to 3 comma minus 2 is there. So, x into 3 plus y into minus 2 equals to 13. That is, 3x minus 2y minus 13 is equals to 0. This is the tangent of the first circle. Now we want to show that this is also a tangent to the second circle. Means we want to check the condition r is equals to d. Now again take the second circle. Second circle equation is, given circle is x square plus y square minus plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 is equals to 0. Now 2g is equals to 2. 2f is equals to minus 10, c is equals to minus 26. So 2g is equals to 2 means g is equal to 1 and here f is equals to minus 5. So center is equals to minus g comma minus f, that is minus 1 comma 5 and radius r is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c and this is equals to g square 1 plus f square 25 minus 6 minus c minus of minus plus 26 is equals to root 52 and this root 52 is equals to root 4 into 13. Root 4 into 13 is equals to 2 root 13. This is the radius value. Now we are finding the d value also. If the value r is equal to d, then we are saying that the tangent is the line is a tangent to the second circle also. So d is equals to perpendicular distance from center to the given line. Here center is equal to minus 1. Center means we are taking the center of the second circle. Center of the second circle is equals to minus 1 comma 5. We are finding the perpendicular distance from center to the line. That is perpendicular distance from center minus 1 comma 5 to the line. Line equation is 3x minus 2y minus 13 equals to 0. Now finding the distance value, that is under modulus 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 5 minus 13 by square root of 3 square. 9 plus minus 2 whole square 4 and this is equals to minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 by square root of root 13. That is modulus minus 26 by root 13 is equals to 36. 26 is equals to 2 into 13. 2 into 13 by root 13. Now it is cancelled by root 13 times is equals to 2 root 13. Therefore, r is equal to 2 root 13, d is equal to 2 root 13. These two values are equal. So, this is the line is also tangent to the second circle. R is equal to d, which implies 3x minus 2y minus 13 is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 10y minus 26 is equal to 0. That is 3x minus 2y minus 13. This line is a tangent to the second circle. and also we want to find the point of contact also find the point of contact. Let QH comma K be the point of contact. So here the point of contact is nothing but the foot of the perpendicular drawn from -1 comma 5 to the line 3x minus 2y minus 13 equal to 0. This is the foot of the perpendicular. So we are finding the foot of the perpendicular to get the point of contact. So first we take the foot of the perpendicular formula. So foot of the perpendicular formula is h minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now this is the foot of the perpendicular formula. Foot of the perpendicular. So here x1 y1 is equals to taking the second center value minus 1 comma 5, and given here the line is 3x minus 2y minus 13 is equal to 0. From this line we are taking the values of ABC. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 2 and C is equal to minus 13. Now substituting the values, h minus x1 value minus 1, minus of minus plus 1 by A is equal to 3 equals to k minus y1 is equal to 5 by b value minus 2 is equals to minus of ax1 3 into minus 1 plus by1 minus 2 into 5 plus c value minus 30 by a square plus b square, that is 9 plus 4. So that is k plus h plus 1 by 3 is equals to k minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to minus of minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 by 9 plus 4 13, that is h plus 1 by 3 is equals to k minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to minus of minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 minus 26 by 30 minus 26 minus of minus 26, that is plus 26 by 13, which returns the value 2, that is h plus 1 by 3 is equals to k minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to plus 2. Now equating each and every first and second value to the last value, that is h plus 1 by 3 is equals to 2 comma k minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to 2. Then h plus 1 is equal to 6, h is equals to 5, and here k minus 5 is equals to minus 4, then k is equals to minus 4 plus 5 1. Therefore point of contact is equals to, therefore point of contact equals to 5 comma 1. Find the equations of tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, which are parallel to x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Find the equations of tangents. We have to find the equation of tangent to the given circle. This is the given circle. The tangent is parallel to the line x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. For example, this is the line x plus y is minus 8 equal to 0. This is the given line x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Now we want to find the line which is parallel to this one. At the same time the line is the tangent to the given circle. So just I am drawing one line which is the tangent to the given circle, and at the same time this is the line parallel to the given line. Similarly here also I am drawing one line. Here these two lines are the tangents to the given circle. At the same time these two lines are parallel to the given line. Now since these three lines are parallel to each other and one equation of one line is given. Now what is the equation of the other line? The equation of the other line is of the form x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Since the lines are parallel, that is the parallels differ by constant only. So equation of the line parallel to this one is x plus y plus k equal to 0. Now it is enough to find the value of k to get the equation of the tangent. So here our target is to find the value of k. That's the process. So first we are taking the given circle equation. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0. Now finding the central radius to the circle. So here 2g is equals to minus 4, 2f is equals to plus 6, c is equals to minus 12. Then g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to 3. Therefore center is equals to minus 3 comma minus 7, which is equals to 2 comma minus 3, and radius r is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c, that is g square 4 plus f square 9 minus c minus of minus plus 12 root 25 is equals to 5. This is the radius value. Now we are taking the given line equation. Given line is x plus 5 minus 8 equal to 0. Now equation of tangent is x plus y plus k is equals to 0. Since given that these two lines are parallel to each other, therefore we are taking the equation of tangent as x plus y is equals to k. Now to find the value of k, just we are applying the condition for tangency. What is condition for tangency? R equals to d. From that we can get the value of k. Condition for tangency is r is equal to 2, r is equals to d, r 5 is equals to d value perpendicular distance from center to the line, that is 2 minus 3. In place of x comma we are taking these two values, 2 minus 3 plus k by square root of 1 square plus 1 square, 1 plus 1, which implies 5 root 2 is equals to under modulus k 2 minus 3 minus 10, that is k minus 1 is equals to plus or minus 5 root 2. Remove the modulus and taking the plus or minus on the other side, which implies k is equals to 1 plus or minus 5 root 2. This is the value of k. Therefore, equation of tangent is equals to, we are substituting this k value in the equation x plus y is equals to k. That is x plus y plus 1 plus or minus 5 root 2 equals to 0, which is the required answer.